front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, and this time click on this section here, called Privacy under Updates. Hit Permission Manager. And finally tap on any feature you want to manage, like for example, Calendar. Tap on one of your apps under one of those sections, Allowed or Not Allowed. Let's go with Photos and pick one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. Just tap on the chosen one and go back to check out your changes. As you can see, Photos app just gained access to my device's calendar. But what I like to do is pick any feature just to find an app I want to manage. For example, I'm selecting microphone just to manage my Chrome. Now instead of applying any of those options, I'm scrolling all the way down to tap on tiny blue text, see all permissions, and manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!